The COVID vaccine that has come in, we have already given vaccination to 3,800 of the health workers as of last evening, and today also the program will continue. We have a target of completing 17,000 in the next coming weeks. Till date, after the 3,800 people have been given this the vaccination, there has not been any serious adverse reaction by anybody. So therefore, from our state of point of view, and even the numbers that are coming in at the national level, it is clearly reflecting that safety is absolutely there. There is nothing to be concerned about, and I encourage and urge all our health workers that for their own safety and for the safety of their families, it will be very, very advisable to take this vaccine. And very soon we will also come to know about the efficacy part, because we will be doing antibody testing. So that will take time after the second shot has been given to them. But as